Subaru problems part 2. A couple more things that I didn't mention. I had read about the steering wheel locking and causing a problem, and you have to turn the key and whatnot, and it prevents the car from starting. This car's been towed back to my home. We've done lots of this kind of stuff. Another thing that I've been alerted to was a situation with the shifter. So in that regards, I've also played with the shifter, put it back in gear, moved it all over the place, and yet we still got the same problem. A couple things that have been mentioned to me is there is a solenoid in here and in here, and they're real simple fix. It's a known problem, but I haven't seen anything that suggests no power to the dash in this situation. In almost every case that I've read, that the dash lit up when they put the key in and they turned the key and things lit up, the indicators. So in this case, as you're seeing, nothing